Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am super excited to share with you an unboxing that I've been waiting for a very long time, because I have been waiting for this package forever, and it's like literally, I don't have my watch on yet, but it's like 6 in the morning and it's dark outside, so I have this bright light on, so hopefully the lighting looks okay. And I have to talk kind of low because my husband is still asleep, but I was so excited to share this with you guys and I cannot wait. I want to open it and I want to take it to work with me, and I have a lot of things coming your way. I know I've been MIA from YouTube, and that's because I started another new job, and this is actually a really exciting job. I'm very excited. I'm loving it so far. I'm about 10 days in, I think, now, so it's super cool. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Here is the box I have. It's not very big, and here we go. I actually have to use my keys because I can't find the scissors. Pretty heavy. Damaged it a little bit. Shield protection, I guess. Warranty. It's literally smaller than my hand. It's nice and heavy. Here is the adapters for iPhone and Android. It's a little nice and heavy, actually. For how small it is, it has a good weight to it. Here's where the micro USB goes. This is the part that comes off. Remove this. And then here, this says that this is the power. And shutter and record. Where's that button? Hard. Alright guys, we are done unboxing this guy. It's super cool. It's actually has some good weight on it. I'm excited to try it. I have to activate it. In order to do that, I have to connect this to my phone, but first I need to download the DJI app, so I will be doing that soon. But I actually have to leave for work right now, so I will probably have to do that when I get back, or if I have some time during work, because I'm going to take it with me since it's not really heavy or adds a lot of bulk to my bag. I'm very excited to use it. We will see how well and how easy the activation process is. I may not be able to get it recorded, but I will definitely be showing a lot of footage with this, and I will be doing a lot more vlog type stuff on my channel. So if you're excited for that, please let me know in the comment section below and leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that bell notification so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye-bye. So right now I'm doing some testing footage, going for a walk. Let's see if I tap here. Recenter. Okay, face tracking on. I'm doing a test. I have the face tracking. I'm walking at the same time. I'm going to flip the camera. Back to me now. Face tracking is on again. So hopefully you can hear this and the audio is good. We'll have to check how that sounds, but it looks like it's tracking my face on the little screen that I have there. So, and I'm walking at the same time, so I'm curious to see if there's any bounce. But I like it because it's super little, and it looks like I'm just holding like a phone or like some type of small key fob or something like that. It's not very like in your face. Here's my turn. Awesome.